Space exploration has always been one of humanity's most ambitious endeavors, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a desire to push the boundaries of what is possible. From the early days of observing the stars to the landmark Apollo missions that landed humans on the moon, the journey into space has been marked by both triumphs and challenges. However, in the past few decades, a significant shift has occurred in the realm of space exploration. The emergence of private space companies, led by visionary entrepreneurs, has transformed the landscape, making space more accessible and reigniting the dream of exploring new worlds. Among these companies, SpaceX stands out as a pioneer, with its ambitious plans to make humans a multi-planetary species. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, SpaceX has rapidly evolved from a fledgling startup into a dominant force in the aerospace industry. The company's mission is clear: to reduce space transportation costs and enable the colonization of other planets, with Mars as the primary target. This video delves into the history, vision, technological innovations, and future plans of SpaceX, examining how it aims to achieve the monumental goal of making humans multi-planetary. SpaceX, officially known as Space Exploration Technologies Corp., was established in 2002 by Elon Musk, a serial entrepreneur with a background in technology and engineering. Musk's vision for SpaceX was born out of his frustration with the slow pace of space exploration and the high costs associated with it. He believed that humanity's future depended on its ability to become a multi-planetary species, and he saw Mars as the most viable option for establishing a human colony. The early years of SpaceX were fraught with challenges. The company faced skepticism from the established aerospace industry and struggled to secure funding. However, Musk's determination and willingness to invest his own money kept the company afloat. SpaceX's first major breakthrough came with the development of the Falcon 1 rocket, which successfully reached orbit in 2008 after 3 failed attempts. This achievement marked the first time a privately funded, liquid-fueled rocket reached orbit, signaling a new era in space exploration. Building on the success of Falcon 1, SpaceX developed the Falcon 9 rocket, which became the backbone of the company's launch capabilities. The Falcon 9 was designed with reusability in mind, a revolutionary concept aimed at significantly reducing the cost of space travel. In 2012, SpaceX made history again when its Dragon spacecraft became the first commercial vehicle to dock with the International Space Station, ISS. This milestone demonstrated SpaceX's ability to provide reliable cargo transport to the ISS, paving the way for future manned missions. Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX is deeply rooted in his belief that humanity must become a multi-planetary species to ensure its long-term survival. He argues that a single-planet civilization is vulnerable to extinction from various threats, including natural disasters, pandemics, and technological catastrophes. By establishing a self-sustaining colony on another planet, Musk believes humanity can safeguard its future and continue to thrive. The mission of SpaceX is to make space travel more affordable and accessible, ultimately enabling the colonization of Mars. This ambitious goal involves several key objectives: developing reusable rockets, advancing spacecraft technology, and establishing Mars infrastructure. Reusability is at the core of SpaceX's strategy to reduce the cost of space travel. By recovering and reusing rocket components, SpaceX aims to lower the price of launches, making space more accessible to both government and commercial entities. SpaceX is continuously innovating to improve its spacecraft, including the Dragon and Starship. These advancements are crucial for long-duration missions and the safe transport of humans to and from Mars. Building a sustainable colony on Mars requires a robust infrastructure, including habitats, life support systems, and resource utilization technologies. SpaceX is working on developing these critical components to ensure the viability of a Mars colony. One of the defining features of SpaceX is its relentless pursuit of technological innovation. The company has developed several groundbreaking technologies that have revolutionized space travel. The concept of reusable rockets is central to SpaceX's mission. Traditional rockets are designed for single use, making space travel prohibitively expensive. SpaceX challenged this paradigm by developing rockets that can be recovered, refurbished, and flown again. The Falcon 9, with its ability to land vertically after launch, is a prime example of this innovation. The first successful landing of a Falcon 9 booster occurred in December 2015, and since then, SpaceX has routinely reused rockets, significantly reducing the cost per launch. SpaceX's rocket lineup includes the Falcon 1, Falcon 9, and Falcon Heavy, each representing significant advancements in rocket technology. The Falcon 1 was SpaceX's first orbital rocket, while the Falcon 9 has become the workhorse of the company's fleet, known for its reliability and reusability. The Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket in the world, is capable of carrying large payloads to orbit and beyond. These rockets have been instrumental in establishing SpaceX as a leader in the aerospace industry. The Dragon spacecraft, developed by SpaceX, is designed for cargo and crew missions. The original Dragon capsule, used for cargo transport to the ISS, was followed by the Crew Dragon, which is capable of carrying astronauts. In May 2020, SpaceX successfully launched NASA astronauts to the ISS aboard the Crew Dragon, marking the first time a commercial company had achieved this feat. The Dragon capsules are crucial for SpaceX's future manned missions to Mars. Starship is SpaceX's next-generation spacecraft, designed for deep space missions, including travel to Mars. It is envisioned as a fully reusable spacecraft capable of carrying up to 100 passengers. Starship's design includes advanced features such as aerodynamic control surfaces, thermal protection systems, and in-orbit refueling capabilities. The development of Starship represents a significant step towards realizing Musk's vision of making humans multi-planetary. Mars has long been a focus of human fascination and exploration. Its similarities to Earth, such as the presence of water ice and a day length comparable to that of Earth, make it a prime candidate for colonization. Mars is considered the most viable option for human colonization due to several factors, including its proximity to Earth, the presence of water, and the similar day length. Mars is relatively close to Earth, making it more accessible than other planets in the solar system. Water is essential for sustaining life, and evidence of water ice on Mars provides a potential resource for future colonists. A day on Mars, known as a sol, is approximately 24.6 hours, which is similar to Earth's day length, making it easier for humans to adapt to the Martian environment. Before sending humans to Mars, extensive reconnaissance and research missions are necessary to gather data about the planet's surface, climate, and resources. These missions will involve robotic explorers and orbiters to map the Martian terrain and identify suitable landing sites for future missions. The Starship spacecraft is being developed to transport humans to Mars. Its design includes features such as a large payload capacity, life support systems, and the ability to refuel in orbit, enabling long-duration missions to Mars and beyond. The successful development and testing of Starship are critical for the feasibility of Mars colonization. Establishing a sustainable colony on Mars requires robust infrastructure, including habitats, life support systems, and resource utilization technologies. SpaceX is working on developing these critical components to ensure the viability of a Mars colony. Key areas of focus include habitat construction, life support systems, and energy generation. Developing durable and radiation-resistant habitats to protect colonists from the harsh Martian environment is essential. Ensuring a stable supply of air, water, and food through advanced life support systems and resource utilization technologies is crucial. Harnessing renewable energy sources, such as solar power, will provide a reliable energy supply for the colony. The journey to Mars and the establishment of a colony on the planet are fraught with challenges. These include radiation exposure, life support systems, and psychological and social challenges. Mars has a thin atmosphere and lacks a magnetic field, exposing colonists to harmful cosmic radiation. Solutions include developing radiation-resistant habitats and protective gear. Ensuring a stable supply of air, water, and food on Mars requires advanced life support systems and efficient resource utilization. This includes recycling waste and harnessing Martian resources, such as water ice, to support the colony. The isolation and confined living conditions on Mars pose significant psychological and social challenges for colonists. Solutions include providing adequate mental health support and fostering a sense of community among colonists. SpaceX recognizes that achieving its ambitious goals requires collaboration with other organizations, both governmental and private. SpaceX has a long-standing partnership with NASA, which has been instrumental in the company's success. This collaboration includes contracts for cargo and crew transport to the ISS, as well as joint missions aimed at advancing space exploration. NASA's support has provided SpaceX with valuable resources and expertise, enabling the company to achieve significant milestones. SpaceX collaborates with international space agencies and organizations to advance its mission. These partnerships include joint research initiatives, shared missions, and collaboration on technological developments. By working together, SpaceX and its international partners aim to accelerate the pace of space exploration and make multi-planetary colonization a reality. In addition to governmental partnerships, SpaceX collaborates with other private sector companies to develop and implement innovative technologies. These collaborations include partnerships with aerospace manufacturers, technology firms, and research institutions. By leveraging the expertise and resources of these partners, SpaceX can advance its mission more efficiently and effectively. The quest to make humans multi-planetary involves significant economic and ethical considerations. Establishing a colony on Mars requires substantial financial investment. SpaceX is working on developing cost-effective solutions to make space travel more affordable, including reusable rockets and advanced spacecraft. Additionally, the company seeks funding through contracts with government agencies, private sector partnerships, and commercial ventures such as satellite launches and space tourism. The colonization of Mars raises several ethical questions, including the potential impact of human activity on the Martian environment. Measures must be taken to minimize environmental disruption and preserve the planet's natural state. Establishing a colony on Mars involves creating new governance structures and ensuring the protection of human rights for colonists. This includes addressing issues related to resource allocation, social justice, and the equitable distribution of benefits. The establishment of a human colony on Mars involves navigating complex legal and regulatory challenges. The legal framework governing space activities, including the Outer Space Treaty, must be considered when planning Mars colonization. This includes issues related to sovereignty, resource extraction, and the peaceful use of space. Obtaining regulatory approval for space missions and activities involves compliance with national and international regulations. This includes ensuring the safety and reliability of spacecraft and adhering to environmental protection guidelines. SpaceX has made significant progress towards its goal of making humans multi-planetary. Recent achievements include successful launches and landings of reusable rockets, manned missions to the ISS, and ongoing development of the Starship spacecraft. The company continues to push the boundaries of space exploration, with several exciting missions and initiatives on the horizon. Recent milestones for SpaceX include Crew Dragon missions, successful manned missions to the ISS, demonstrating the reliability and safety of SpaceX's crew transport capabilities, Starship test flights, ongoing development and testing of the Starship spacecraft, including high-altitude test flights and successful landings, and satellite launches, continued success in launching commercial and government satellites, including the deployment of the Starlink satellite constellation. SpaceX has several exciting missions planned for the near future, including Mars reconnaissance missions, planned missions to gather data and conduct research on the Martian surface, paving the way for future human missions, Starship missions, continued development and testing of the Starship spacecraft, with the goal of achieving orbit and eventually reaching Mars, and commercial space missions, ongoing partnerships with commercial and government clients for satellite launches, space tourism, and research missions. The long-term prospects for SpaceX and its mission to make humans multi-planetary are promising. As technology continues to advance and space travel becomes more affordable, the dream of establishing a human colony on Mars becomes increasingly achievable. SpaceX's innovative approach and relentless pursuit of its goals position the company as a leader in the new era of space exploration. The efforts of SpaceX to make humans multi-planetary have far-reaching implications for humanity. The technological innovations developed by SpaceX have the potential to revolutionize various industries, including aerospace, transportation, and energy. Advances in rocket technology, reusable spacecraft, and life support systems contribute to broader technological progress and inspire further innovation. SpaceX's achievements have captured the imagination of people around the world, inspiring a new generation of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts. The company's success demonstrates the power of human ingenuity and determination, fostering a sense of optimism and possibility for the future. The establishment of a human colony on Mars represents a monumental step for humanity. It symbolizes our ability to overcome challenges, push the boundaries of exploration, and ensure the long-term survival of our species. By becoming a multi-planetary species, humanity can continue to thrive and explore new frontiers. In conclusion, SpaceX's mission to make humans multi-planetary is a bold and ambitious endeavor that has the potential to shape the future of humanity. Through technological innovation, strategic partnerships, and a relentless pursuit of its goals, SpaceX is making significant progress towards establishing a human colony on Mars. The impact of these efforts extends beyond space exploration, inspiring global progress and advancing our understanding of what is possible. As we look to the future, SpaceX's vision of a multi-planetary civilization serves as a beacon of hope and possibility, reminding us of the boundless potential of human achievement. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.